Hey, Daddy.
Jeffy, what do you want?
I was wondering if I could go in the bathroom and say my pee-pee in the toilet seat.
Jeffy, you have the hiccups.
The hiccups? Why?
I don't know. They just come randomly, but they're really annoying. I hate them. Jeffy, stop doing that.
I can't help it, Daddy.
Well, then go over there and do it. I don't want to hear them. Jeffy! Oh, okay, we have to get rid of those hiccups. Just hold your breath for a really long time.
Hold my breath?
Yeah.
Why?
Just hold your breath. It'll make them go away. Just hold your breath until you can't breathe anymore. Keep holding your breath. Just keep holding your breath. Oh, okay, you can breathe. Jeffy! Jeffy, breathe! You can breathe, Jeffy!